Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Priya and today we are solving a very simple and quick problem on LeetCode called number of steps to reduce a number to 0. So this is a basic math and simulation problem, so let's get started. Okay, so the problem statement says that you are given an integer num and you need to count how many steps are required to reduce it to 0. So the rules are, if the number is even, then we will be dividing it by 2, and if the number is odd, then subtract 1 from it so that it becomes even. Okay, so let's take an example. Here the number is 14 and the output will be 6. So explanation is 14 is even and divide by 2 and then obtain 7. Then after it will be obtaining 6, then 3, 2, 1, and finally it is 0. So the number of steps are 6. That's why the output is 6. Okay, so the idea is simple. We keep applying the rules until the number becomes 0 and count how many steps it takes. So let's try to implement it in our code in C++. So here we are given the number num. Okay, so we will initialize a variable which will be steps, and we will be initializing it with 0, and this will count the number of steps. So let's run a while loop where the condition is num greater than 0. Okay, so it will continue until the number becomes 0. That's our condition. So let's take an if statement which will be okay. So if the number is even, then we will divide the number by 2 directly, and let's run an else statement. If the if statement is false, then we will run the else statement. Okay, so if the number is odd, then we will subtract 1 from the number. So here our else statement ends, and we will increment the steps. It will increase like step count. So here our while loop ends, then we will finally return steps in our code. So let's try to run it. Okay, so it's accepted. So let's try run it. So let's take number is 14. So 14 is even, so we will divide it by 2, then we will get like 7. Okay, so 7 is odd, and then we will be subtracting 1 from the 7. We get 6, and then 6 is even, so we will get 3, and 3 is odd, then we will get 2. And if like 2 then 2 is even, then we will get 2 by 2, which is 1, and if 1 is odd, then we will be subtracting 1 from it, then the output will be 0. So the total steps are 6. So the time complexity is big O of log n, and the space complexity is O of n, which is constant. So let's submit it. It's accepted. So yeah, that's how we solve the number of steps to reduce a number to 0 problem. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. If I'll be posting more DSA problems daily. See you in the next video. Thank you.